Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this day, I would like to make an demo from doa from the dashboard screen before. Yes, that's doa. So yeah, here I will show you and the alert. So it's a four at four and the doa for like I said before, there is four button doa zakat video kajian dan sholat. Now today I would like to make a demo for a button of doa. So later it would like if you click the doa, so they will show an option. They are doa pagi pagi dan malam, makan dan minum, perjalanan, rumah, etika baik dan sholat. Alright, there's a sixth option for that. So maybe we will going to the name the the detail of the door screen. So here we have here, yeah, wait. So here this Flutter code define a screen widget named the detail door screen is to display the details of the a pair of citation, including this title, the Arabic text, explanation, and the reference. Here, a breakdown of the code. So, there's the total screen, which is a widget explanation. The total screen is a stateless widget. Stateless widget meaning is the content is determined entirely by the data passed to it during creation and doesn't change over its lifetime. Properties or data. The widget records for the piece of data to be passed into its constructor. There's a final string title is the title of the prayer dua before sleep, and final string Arabic tag, the actual prayer text in Arabic script. And also there is a final string translation. Final string translation. The translation likely in the user native language. And also there's a final string reference. Yeah, final string reference. Yeah. This search of reference of the prayers specific hadith collection. And we come to the widget build. The build method to construct the user interface (UI) is an app bar, is create the top navigation bar. It has a primary background color, color constant, color primary. Yeah, the title of the bar is is set to the prayer's title property styled with a white color and the Poppins medium font. The leading widget is an icon button with a back arrow, icon arrow back, iOS new outline. Tapping this button, use a navigator or pop context, yeah, pop context to close the current screen and go back to the previous one. We come to the body, yeah, we come to body. The main content area is wrapped in a container with a fixed height and background image. Container takes up the full screen height and is decorated with a background image load from asset image png using a decoration image with a fit box fit cover. And here as a child single child scroll view is ensures that the content within the body is scrollable as it exchange the screen height preventing overflow errors. And we come to the padding. Padding applies a 24 unit padding around the central content and um, fire. Yeah, a subtle shadow effect box or box shadow it to make it visual pop against the background image. It also has internal padding of 24 units. Column. Column. Arrange the four main text alignment vertically cross-axis alignment, alignment or cross-axis alignment scratch. Make the children the text widget that take up the full width of the container. As a text title, text Arabic, text translation, text reference. You can see, take a look here, title, text Arabic text, translation, and reference. Alright, now we gonna to the screen. Screen, which one here? Alright, we come to the dual screen. So the screen, this folder code defines a screen widget named "screen", which displays a list of prayer dua belonging to the specific category. Screen widget explains the screen, a status widget, a status widget designed to reference a category name and the display of prayers associated. I don't know what to call that with that category properties and the heading. The final string category is required properties fed to the constructor and specific widget group of prayer to load a daily dua and dua for travels. Yeah, and get dualist category. Yeah, get dualist category inside the build. Get dualist category. Yes, category is inside the build method this function which must be defined to the in the import dart yeah dart file is called to fetch the reference list of the items based of the profit category. The result is started the list and final list and finally mastering string the list category. Each item is in the list is a map that expands to content keys like title, a text translation, reference, and image. Yeah, we just structure method. Yeah, the build method construct the list view on user interface, scaffold, and a bar, background color set using a custom color constant called primary title display category name that was placed in the screen, making it clear to the user and what list they are viewing. The text is styled with color and a pop-in medium font, leading leading contain an icon button with a back arrow tapping and calls navigator pop context to navigate back to the previous screen. Body and we come to the body with the list view. The main content is a scrollable list of items efficiently built using list view builder. List view builder is a most common way to display a constantly large and list in a Flutter and Flutter as it only builds the widget that are currently visible on the screen, optimize performance. Uh, And also for the item count dualist like the number of the item to build determined by the size of the affected. That's dualist item builder. This function is called for every item in the list to build a corresponding widget appending. Yeah, appending at consistent horizontal 16 and vertical 12 space around each item. And for a container, this serves as the visual wrapper for a single item. It has white background, rounded corners, where the radius is equal 8, and a subtle box shadow to give it a, a faded card-like appearance. We'll come to the child list title, leading image asset dualist index and image. Yeah, a standard Flutter widget optimized for rows and a list, offering easy placement for an icon, title, and action. Leading image, yeah, it's the leading image asset dollars index. Okay, this an image icon to the left side load from the asset path, triggering the image queue of the correct item map and title text display the name of the player, the value of the title key styled with the purple medium font up on tab. On tab, this primary action for the list item. When the user taps the item, it performs a navigation action. It's used navigator outputs to move to the screen. Screen explained in your previous clearly. It space out the title are rig tags are transition and note the spelling errors translation in the previous code which is currently use the transition here and reference on the tapped item to the details script for display and we come to the dot screen. Yeah, we come to the dot screen. Yeah. So this folder code define the main screen for browsing categories for of prayers. Name the screen is act as a dashboard or home page for accessing different prayer lists. The screen widget explain the screen is status widget the present a grid of categories allowing user to navigate to specific list of prayer as a function of this code. We come here and the widget built with context returns scaffold, yeah, background color for instance February, yeah, and another like I said before, there's like six buttons. There's like six buttons instead of button of dua. So like there's six buttons instead of dua. So we can choose it from this one. Yeah, from this one. Yeah, start from this one. And this for pagi dan malam is the button of the doa. Makan minum, perjalanan, rumah, ketika baik, sholat. Yeah, that's for the inside of the doa. And we come to the card doa data, card doa dart. This further code define a resolvable custom widget called card doa, which is designed to display a single table category item in a grid or list view. The widget was used to build the category grid in the screen from the previous from Cardua widget explain the Cardua status widget. Status widget, the command and I image icon, a title, and tab functionally into the single card container properties. Yeah, it's like say before, example for define and the button. So yeah, maybe I will show you what it look like the application. So wait 4 minutes.
Okay, today I will tell you before we start as the application. So I will tell one thing. Yeah, I will tell one thing here as a mandate. Yeah, as a mandate. So what is mandate for? So actually, it's for our title applications and also as here okay, you can see for the first one as our video as the so we need a code for the icon. As you know, the icon we can click and we can see the inside it. Okay, we use a doa screen. I mean, yeah, we use doa. We use from here as a doa. Yeah, it's for sign um the flutter code so we can yeah simply click the icon and we see the inside of the screen. All right.
Yeah, this will look like. So the first, they will show an full icon when we just start this flutter run, yeah, and show this dua zakat video kajian dan jatuh salat. We choose dua here, like I said before. There's a six button instead of dua. There's pagi dan malam, minum, perjalanan, rumah, etika baik, salat. We choose a salat. Yeah, this the inside of here. So like I said before, the inside will be like an image, and it's for and here for us as a title, it's Arabic, it's transition, and it's reference. Yeah, okay, maybe that's that will be all for me. We have some mistake for my demo video, so I would like to end this demo. I hope I can accept my teacher, and maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.